It is now time for us to celebrate some Tuesday birthdays across the 4 states, and we are beginning in Mound Valley with Camden Grace Thompson, whose birthday was actually yesterday. She's turning the big 4, and this comes with love from Mimi and Papa.
And we've got Evelyn Tuba celebrating birthday number 4 this year. What a cutie there. Happy birthday, Evelyn.
And we also have Jackson Zorn celebrating birthday number 5 in Riverton. Happy birthday, Jackson.
Elijah Hand is 8 years old this year. And that makes it his golden birthday on November the 8th. He's in Carthage.
And we've got Jarek Thomas celebrating birthday number 11 in Girard. Very cool pumpkin chair there, Jarek. And this comes with love from Mom and Dad.
Bentley Harmon turning 12 years old this year. Bentley with love from Mommy, Daddy, Chrisley, Nana, and Pop.
And we've got Josh Schultz turning 17 in Crestline. Very happy birthday to you, Josh.
In Oswego, Desiree Trotnick turning 17 years old.
And our birthday list continues with Kay Pyle celebrating in Frontenac, Wyatt Costin turning 18 in Buffalo, Kansas, and Claudine Lucas celebrating in Miami. And I almost got beat up because I forgot to mention yesterday was my mother-in-law's birthday. Kathy Saloga in Carthage celebrating birthday number 29 from what I've seen on Facebook. We'll go with that.
Hey, you're quickly learning that it's your responsibility to put all your family members' birthdays on now.
Yeah, I'm learning that very quickly. And here's the deal. If you want to make sure that your family member's birthday gets on, and we want more pictures, because this list was pretty short, Tanya's going to tell you how you do that.
That's right. All you have to do is send them to us by email at birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. Why do you think none of my family members are ever on there? Because they think it's my responsibility too.
Well, that's all right. See, the difference is my family will come and get me if I don't do it. And hey, here's the deal. We got a lot of election coverage on our website at koamnewsnow.com/elections, but when you go to our website to see the data, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's easy to do. You get some great deals from local businesses, and most importantly, or most coolly, is you get a cool birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club at koamnewsnow.com. All right.